Jergens started in 1942, and at that time, we were making parts with the war protector, airplane seat parts that were made. Today, we've actually gone full circle, and now we're making more aerospace components than we ever had in the past. Now, as a manufacturer, we're not competing just within the United States, we're competing internationally. So the cost of low-cost competition coming in from China, India, are also a big challenge for us. So we have to compete with those people in those countries as well too. How do we do it? We have to keep investing in new capital equipment. We have to invest in automation. So we have to make those dollars we're able to save by being in a lower cost area like Cleveland to invest in new equipment. And some of the new investments we made in capital machinery allows us to produce that part in about a minute down to about 15 seconds. So we're able to invest in capital that allows us to sit down there and invest in products. So Jergens operates a 250,000 square foot manufacturing facility, right? And as a result of this new facility, we try to do the same operation here on the West Coast or on the East Coast. It would be significantly more cost for land or bill of taxes or for electrical bill. We operated in California for maybe about 10 years. But that would result in we recognized that the cost to operate out there was significantly higher. Higher for wages, higher for electrical bills, higher for taxes, higher for rent. And as a result, we actually closed that facility down and we moved the operation here to Cleveland. That also allowed us to our employees to recognize, hey, my cost of living is so much higher out in California. And I decided that I want to move to a low cost of living. So they moved to Cleveland as a result of it. They reduced their electrical bill. One of the guys told me one time, the electrical bill was $700. And and today it's about half that living in Cleveland as well too. So they're able to have their dollars go farther than the area of Cleveland. You can't beat us, so join us.